So we're discussing statistics. Statistics. So basically we said the definition. So we said statistics deals with the collection, presentation, and analysis of data. And then we said that data may be continuous or discontinuous, meaning that data may be discrete and be continuous, isn't it? So data may be discrete and we may also have continuous data. Then we looked at measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency. Here we looked at the mean. We said mean denoted by X bar is simply the sum of measures. Divided by number of measures. Number of measures, and the sum mathematically is denoted by this symbol, xi over n. So if you've got n variables, it means you're summing. It means you're summing up to n. I equal to 1 of xi divided by n because we've got n variables. We also looked at the frequency. Frequency, say this refers to the number of times. This refers to the number of times a particular measurement appears. So that is what we call frequency. And then we also discussed the mode. We said mode refers to the measurement with the highest frequency. The measurement with the highest frequency. That's what we call mode. And then also discussed the median. We said the middle measure or observation when all the measures or observations are arranged in hierarchy. Hierarchy or order. So these are the few things that we discussed. And then we go to the next. Then we had some example.
Sorry, can you go back to the verse?
Okay. Done? Okay. So we had some example that we discussed. We said given the data below, we had 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can repeat the one variable 7. Okay, so if these are the variables, if we count them, how many are they? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 variables. So we can put up some more. We can put up 10, and then we can put up 9, and we can have 11. Then we can have 8. Okay. So these are the variables that we have. Then find A, the mean, B, the mode, C, the median. So on the solutions, so we say that mean denoted by X bar is simply the sum of measures from I1 to N divided by the number of measures. So if you add these measures, now here you can now hold your calculator so that I teach you how to enter this data in your calculator. Do you have calculators?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So let's discuss how to enter this data in the calculator. Okay, so we'll do like this. So place 1, then you go on the button M+. There is this button. So you place your first data 1, and then you click this button M+. Then you click your second data value 1, then M+. 1, M+. You are done with, then you go to 2, M+. So and so and so on. This is how you enter your data in your calculator. This makes your work easier. You can confirm whether your calculations are correct, whether your summing up was correct, and you can also recheck the data that you entered in your calculation. Okay, I believe.
Sir, repeat what you said.
Okay, so can you click 1? Done. Then click M, place M+. Are you done there? Then place again the second value, which is 1, M+. So you observe that your calculator is recording 1 M+. Your calculator must be recording.
So I've got a question.
Yes, please.
So after you're done recording like all of them, you just press equals at the last,
You just
like after the last value.
You just place AC.
Okay.
Yeah, you just place AC to come out of that mode. Yeah, that's how you do
All
it. So there, okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us see. Let us do that, and you have to give me, when you're done, you
Excuse
have
me,
to,
sir.
what, excuse?
Sir, I didn't quite understand what you just explained. Could you repeat it?
Okay, do you have your calculator with you? Because the way I'm teaching you is calculator based. I'm teaching you how to enter your data in a calculator. So I said you place one, then you go to the button M plus. Again, you place the second value, which is 1, then M plus. Then you go to the second value, 1, M plus. So are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we said 1, M plus. Then you go to the second one. Again, you place the next value, which is 1. Then M plus. So your calculator, even in numbers for you, it's numbering, it's showing you how many data values you have entered so far. Your calculator must be showing. So that's it. So when you are done entering the data, so let's see how many are able to get it.
44, sir.
Eh?
I'm getting 44.
44 as the sum.
After entering all the numbers given, sir.
Okay, after entering all the numbers given. So you're getting 44. What is that 44? Is it the sum or
44, sir, I've done it like I've done it in this way, sir. 1, then M plus C, 1, M plus C, 2, M plus C, all of them, sir.
Okay. All of them. Okay, well, good. What about others? What others say? Or others do not have
I'm
calculator?
getting 111. I'm getting 111.
What is that value for? Let me get
Summation of x1.
some. Oh, that's the summation, eh? Okay, good. So somebody has gotten the summation as 111. So let us all confirm if we manage to enter the data as instructed.
I did as well.
Uh-huh.
Then after dividing by 21, I found 5.29.
What was the summation in the first place?
The summation was 111. Then the total was over 21. So I got 5.29.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So let's now conclude. Let's now conclude here. And then others, what are you getting? I can't hear that one speaking.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
The
please.
summation I'm getting 111.
Okay. Okay, okay, wonderful. So
And then when I divide with 21, I'm getting 5.28
okay, so summation
or
you're getting,
5.29.
everyone says the sum is
111.
111. And the majority got this, isn't it? Divided by what?
Hello.
21? Yes, please.
Sir.
I can't hear you.
I was asking where do you press when you're done entering the data?
Okay, just place the button AC.
I'm saying where
Place the button AC. AC. Place AC on your calculator.
AC.
Yes, to remove, to clear the
Okay,
screen.
okay.
You have cleared it? Okay. So if you are done, well, good. So when you divide, what are you getting? Since you are all getting 111,
5.29.
okay, 5.29. So 5.229. Okay, wonderful. So this is what you're getting. as it.
Excuse me, sir.
Quite excuse.
For me, the 111 is not coming out.
Oh, the 111 is not coming out.
No, sir. I've tried.
Why?
I'm doing one M plus, the other one M plus. Now, like after you've done everything, like is it going to add on itself, or maybe you're supposed to press something?
Okay, so after you're done with everything, you just place the button AC to clear the screen, meaning that that data would have been stored already in the calculator. You get it?
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
So the data automatically gets stored. That's how you do it.
Okay, sir, let me try.
Okay, you can try it. So now we can go to the, as others are still practicing the calculator. If you guys have been allowed to use the calculator, this will help you to quickly answer questions on statistics and also to confirm
Sir,
your calculation. Yes, please.
I'm asking if you can repeat the method of entering data. May I just did the direct thing of adding everything there?
Okay, just did the direct thing. Place the first data. The first data is what, 1, isn't it? The first number is 1. Place 1, then next place M plus.
Yes.
Then place the second number. The second number is what?
1.
The second number is 1. Okay, then place again M plus. So you keep doing the same until you enter, until you reach the last digit.
And then when I'm done,
When you're done, place AC. Place AC to get rid of, to clear off the screen. Eh? You place AC to clear off the screen. Are we there?
yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Hello? What did you say?
sir, I don't know if you could repeat.
The network is breaking. I repeat only.
Can you
When, yes, I'm done entering the data. What?
Yeah, place the button AC. Now there's such other person saying repeat. I repeat on which part? When you're done, you place AC, yeah? The button AC to get to clear off the screen.
Yes, I've done that.
You're done that. Okay, then you place Shift, then 1. Place Shift, then 1. Shift
1.
And then what is coming up there on the screen? After placing Shift, then 1, what's coming up? You must be able to see something. It's you to tell us now. Hello?
There's nothing.
There's nothing coming up.
Nothing.
Okay, okay, wonderful.
There's nothing, sir.
Oh, nothing.
Okay. I've seen the problem that you have. Your calculator must be in standard, I mean statistics data. Place mode, then you go to SD. Place mode, your calculator must be in statistical data. Hello? Are you able to put your calculator in statistical data?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we've put
Yes,
it.
sir.
Now we've put it now.
Okay, so now keep entering the data now. 1 M plus. The next number M plus. The next number M plus. So let's do it quickly, so that we move to the next now. Great.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I didn't get the step. When I'm done entering, I press AC, and then the next step said I should go and shift.
Shift
One.
then one. Yeah, do that.
Yeah, I've done that.
What is coming on the screen?
And then I go here. Here?
What the question is, what is coming on the screen if you have done that?
Nothing.
What is showing on the screen?
There's
You must be able to see the summation. Those are making noise.
So it's bringing summation of x squared, this summation of x, then n.
Okay, summation of x is on number what? Number 2. If
Summation of x squared.
Yes.
it's number 2, sir.
so place 2, then equals.
Yeah.
Place 2.
Yes, sir. The answer is coming out 111.
It's coming out, eh? Okay. So
Yes.
Yes, it's
yeah,
coming
that's,
out.
that's how you do things on a calculator. That's the way to go. So if you didn't count how many numbers you entered, your calculator can still show you on the same shift, then 1, there was also the value of n, isn't it? There was also
Yes.
the value of n. So meaning your calculator can count for you how many variables you entered. Okay, so now you can get the mean direct. Plus shift, then 2.
So kindly repeat. You said shift and then I press.
Plus shift, then 2. Shift, then 2. Okay, we must be done with this part.
Yes, the mean is coming out, sir.
The mean is coming out. Okay,
Yes.
so that's how you do it. So you can get everything on your calculator. You can do that.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm finding difficult.
Oh, look, you should first put your calculator in lean. You go on mode. You go on mode and then you go for
Understand.
how
Okay, I said the calculator must be, there's too much noise there. Who is that one? Hey,
Hello?
don't listen to yourself. Can you mute yourself? Mute yourselves, eh? Okay, so I said your calculator must be in statistical data, SD. So you place mode, go on mode, then you choose 2. You go on mode, then you choose 2. So we are saying you place mode, then 2. So that you have your calculator in SD. Then that's when you can enter the data correctly. Okay, so the mode according to the definition is the number with the highest frequency, isn't it? So if you observe, you get your mode 2. Your mode is 2. If you observe if you look at the variables, you have your mode is 2. So you can go to C. You can go to C. C, they want us to find the median. Eh? The median is the middle measure when the measures are arranged in order. So arranging in order can either be increasing or decreasing order. So which one is the middlemost here? Since the variables are 21, So meaning we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 21, right? So meaning that you need to do 10, 10, eh? 10 from the first and 10 last. The one in between will be the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have up to 4. You have up to this part.
Behind.
So you have up to that part. You can also count 10 again from the far end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have this. If you count 10 this side. So this number in between is now your, this number is your median. So you say your median is it? Okay, so just mute yourself. When I remove you, you want to join. When I remove you, you want to join. So we are done with this part. We can now go to the next screen.
Sir, help on the mode. I didn't get network. It was bad.
On using it, yeah, you said that you're supposed to press mode and then I press 2 for SD.
Yes.
And then what next? I'm supposed to add of X or which one?
What next?
Yes, sir. For this one, you said that I supposed to press the mode and then I go where it's written SD. I press 2. And then what's next?
The next is you start entering the data that you have been given.
Then when you are done with that,
Sir, or just
It's when you place the first number,
be adding them.
you place M plus, no adding. The calculator will do that for you. The first number M plus, the second number M plus, third number M plus. That's how you enter data in the calculator.
then when you are done with that, what do you do? You just save everything.
When you are done, you can now begin finding what they've asked you. Okay, so let us join again. Let us join again in the next few minutes. I'll be timed.
Using the same link, sir?
The same link, yes. So let's quickly discuss presentation of data. Data can be presented. Using one, the pie chart. 2, you can have bar charts. 3, histogram. 4, frequency tables. 5 So etc. And then we say data can be ungrouped and grouped. Okay, so we can now move to the next slide. We're going to discuss now how to present the data in a frequency table, cumulative frequency table. So we can join again. Let us join again in the next few minutes.